bad breath. It happens to the best of us. Whether it's morning breath or a lingering odor after a meal, it can be embarrassing. Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 5 proven tips to help you beat bad breath and keep your mouth fresh all day. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Brush and floss twice a day. No excuses. Brushing and flossing are your first line of defense against bad breath. Food particles stuck between your teeth and plaque buildup on your tongue and gums can start to smell pretty fast. Brush for at least 2 minutes, and don't forget to floss. Bacteria love those tight spaces between your teeth. Tip number 2. Clean your tongue. It's a game changer. Your tongue holds on to a lot more bacteria than you might think. Use a tongue scraper, or even the back of your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue every day. Doing this removes odor-causing bacteria and can instantly freshen your breath. Trust me, this is a simple habit that makes a huge difference. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated throughout the day. A dry mouth is a breeding ground for bad breath. Saliva helps wash away food particles and bacteria, so staying hydrated is key. Drink plenty of water during the day, especially after meals. And avoid too much coffee or alcohol, which can dry out your mouth. Tip number 4. Watch what you eat. Certain foods like garlic, onions, and spicy dishes can make your breath smell for hours, even after brushing. Try balancing your meals with fresh veggies like carrots or celery, which help clean your teeth naturally. Chewing on parsley or mint leaves can also help neutralize odors naturally. Tip number 5. See your dentist regularly. Sometimes, bad breath is a sign of something deeper like gum disease, cavities, or even an infection. That's why regular dental checkups are so important. Your dentist can spot problems early and help you treat them before they turn into major issues, and that includes bad breath. So there you have it, 5 simple tips to fight bad breath and keep your confidence high. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips every week. And remember, fresh breath starts with a healthy mouth. Bye for now. Get your supplement in the link below.